plus 5y. 5y equal to e power minus t sin t, e power minus t sin t, with the condition that y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 equal to 1. Y of 0 equal to 0. Okay, y of 0 equal to 0. And y dash of 0 equal to 1. Okay, so let me recheck again. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus 5y equal to e power minus t sin t, with y of 0 equal to 0 and y dash of 0 equal to 1. Okay, now we'll solve this differential equation. Okay, so again take the differential equation. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus 5y is equal to e power minus t sin t. Apply Laplace on both sides. Can I apply Laplace to each term by linearity? So Laplace of y double dash plus 2 times Laplace of y dash plus 5 times Laplace of y is equal to, okay, Laplace of e power minus t sin t. Okay, so because Laplace is a linear operator, I can apply Laplace transforms to each term. Okay, now again quickly write down the formula for the double derivative. Laplace of double derivative s square into Laplace of y minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0, okay, plus 2 into s into Laplace of y minus y of 0, okay, y of 0 plus 5 times Laplace of y equal to, what is Laplace of e power minus t into sin t? Exponential function is multiplied. So that means what? How do I find out Laplace transform of this function? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So how do you find out Laplace transform of this function? Laplace of
Laplace of sin
sin
t shift
t,
t to t.
replace s with s plus 1. See, now we are in Laplace transforms. Right hand side, we are have to find out the Laplace transform. What is Laplace of e power minus a t into f of t? This is f of s plus a, right? F of s plus a is Laplace of f of t shifting s to s plus a. You remember? Okay. So this is the Laplace transform. So now you take wherever L of y is there, you take L of y common and simplify further. So if I take L of y common, what do I get? S square plus 2s plus 5 minus s into, what is y of 0?
0
0. Y dash of 0?
minus
1.
1
Plus,
plus 2
it
into
is not
0.
plus, plus 2 into y of 0 is 0. That's it. Equal to Laplace of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1, shift s to s plus 1. Do you agree? So this is 0, this is 0. So L of y into s square plus 2s plus 5. Okay, take this minus 1 to right hand side. So what do you get? 1 plus, when I replace s with s plus 1, it is going to be 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Is that okay? Now what is the simplification of this? 1 plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2. S square plus 2s plus 2. So when I take LCM and simplify, s square plus 2s plus 2 plus 1 is 3 by s square plus 2s plus 2. Am I right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
divide with this function. What I want is L of y. What is L of y? 1 by, sorry, L of I is s square plus 2s plus 3 by s square plus 2s plus 5 into s square plus 2s plus 2. S square plus 2s plus 2. Is it okay? Now I want y. How do I find out y? By applying L inverse on both sides. So before applying L inverse on both sides, we shall write this into partial fractions. We shall write this into partial fractions. Okay. So for the time being, call it as y of s. Call it as y of s. We shall write a y of s into partial fractions and then find out the inverse transform. Shall I proceed? So in the first part, we got an expression for L of y. Okay, from the differential equation. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm considering y of I, y of s. What is y of s? S square plus 2s plus 3 by s square
5.
2s plus 5
5
into s square plus
plus
2s
2s
plus 2. Okay,
2.
each one is a quadratic factor. Denominator is in the form non-repeated quadratic factors. How do you find out? We write into as plus b by s square plus 2s plus 5 plus cs plus d by s square plus 2s plus 2. Okay, so for this particular problem, let me find out abcd. Okay, so till now I did not find partial fractions to any function. Let us find partial fractions to this function. Okay, so what we do, you take a LCM and equate the numerators. When you equate the numerators, s square plus 2s plus 3 is equal to as plus b into s square plus 2s plus 2 plus cs plus d into s square plus 2s plus 5. Am I right? So equate the corresponding coefficients of s powers, then you'll get some equations involving a, b, c, d. Then solve the equations. Okay, so now you'll see highest power is going to be s cube. What is s cube quotient? A, and here s cube quotient is
C.
c, a plus c. There is no s cube on left hand side, therefore a plus c equal to 0. Am I right? Next, s square quotient. Where s square is there? S into s square. That means 2a
2a
plus
plus
b
b
plus
plus
2c 2c plus d. What d? D into s square. D equal to what is s coefficient?
1.
S coefficient is s square coefficient. We are equating s square coefficient, right? S square coefficient is 1. Now what is s coefficient? S coefficient is going to be, see here, 2a 2a plus 2b.
2b
2a plus 2b plus
plus 5c
what else? 5c
2d
5c plus 2d. 5c plus 2d. Okay,
equal
equal to 2. S coefficient. Then what are constants?
5d
2b
plus 2d.
2b plus
2b plus 5d
2b plus 5d. 2b plus 5d equal to 3. Is it okay? Now
Yes, sir.
use these two equations. Okay, a plus c equal to 0. So if I take a common from this, okay, what do you get? 2 into a plus c plus b plus d equal to 1. A plus c is 0. Therefore, b plus d equal to 1. Is it okay? B plus d equal to 1. What is the other equation? 2b plus 5d equal to 3. 2b plus 5d equal to 3. We shall solve these two equations. How do we solve? And both sides, first equation, you both sides multiply with 2. Okay. Then when I subtract, what do we get?
minus 3d equals
minus 3d equal to minus 1.
minus
So d equal to 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
When d equal to 1 by 3, what will be b? B equal
2
to
by 3.
1 minus
2 by
d. 1
1.
minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Is that okay? Now when you substitute those values here, okay, so 2 into so a equal to minus c here, see, a equal to minus c. So when you substitute here a equal to minus c, so minus 2c plus 2 into b is 2 by 3 plus 5c plus d. What is d value?
1 by
1 by
3.
3. 1 by 3 equal to 2. So 5c minus 2c is 3c plus 4 by 3
Plus 2 by 3.
plus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equal to 2. 6 by 3. 3c plus 6 by 3 is 2 equal to 2. This implies that 3c equal to 0. This implies that c equal to 0. When c equal to 0, what is a? A is also 0.
0.
Is that okay? So therefore we got all the values. C equal to 0, a equal to 0, d equal to 1 by 3 and b equal to 2 by 3. We'll substitute these values in the given function y of s and then apply L inverse. Okay. So shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll take the next one. So y of s is equals to substitute a0. When I put a equal to 0 and b equal to 1 by what is b value? 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3 into 1 by s square plus 2s plus 5 plus what is the next expression? C value is 0, d value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 1 by
S
s square plus 2s plus 2. Is that okay? Now y of s is nothing but a Laplace of y. Okay, what I want is y. So what is y? 2 by 3 into L inverse of 1 by, okay, s square plus 2s plus 5 plus 1 by 3 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2. Okay. Now how do I find out this one?
S plus 1 whole S plus 2 whole square.
So I can write this as 2 by 3 L inverse of 1 by
S plus 1
s plus 1 whole square
plus
plus
2
2
square.
square plus 1 by 3 L
L
inverse
inverse
of 1 by
1
s plus 1 whole square plus 1 square.
1 square.
Okay, now everything is in terms of s plus 1. Therefore I can apply first shifting property on inverse transform, right? So replacing s plus 1 with s, multiplying with e power minus t, L inverse of
1 by s square plus 2 square plus 2 square.
1 by s square plus 2 square, s square plus 2 square plus 1 by 3 L inverse of 1 by
S
s
square plus
square
1
plus
square.
1. Now what is this?
1 by 2
1
sin
by
t.
2 sin 2t.
1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
1
Yes.
by 1 by 2 sin
Sin
2t
Sin 2t.
plus 1 by 3 sin t.
Sin t.
Therefore what is your final answer? If I take y equal to
1 by 3 sin t.
1 by 3 e power minus t, and here also I think I have to multiply with e power minus t, right? See, I have to apply first shifting theorem, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is 1 by 3 e power minus t sin 2t plus 1 by 3
E power
sin t
minus t
e
sin
power
t.
minus t, right? So if I take 1 by 3 e power minus t common,
Sin 2t plus
Sin
sin
2t plus sin t.
1 by 3 e power minus t if I take common, sin 2t plus
Sin t.
sin t.
t.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So I'll just discuss one more problem and start the class. So again, you see, solving the differential equation involving application of
Laplace and inverse Laplace.
Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms. Okay, unless we have the complete knowledge on Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms, we cannot solve the differential equations. That's why I ask you to practice problems on Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms, because what kind of function we are going to get, we don't know till we get the expression for L of y. Okay, so let us take the last problem, fourth one. Please note down y triple dash. Now it is going to be third order differential equation. Earlier problems are second order differential equations. Y triple dash minus 3y double dash plus 3y dash minus y equal to t square e power t. How many conditions I have to write?
3 conditions.
Because it is a
Three
third order
conditions.
differential equation, we have to write 3 conditions. Please note down y of 0 equal to 1, y dash of 0 equal to 0, y double dash of 0 equal to minus 2. Okay, I'm rechecking these things. Otherwise, if you do mistake in copying the differential equation, it may not be possible to. Y triple dash minus 3y double dash plus 3y dash minus y is equal to t square e power t with the conditions y of 0 equal to 1, y dash of 0 equal to 0, okay, and y double dash of 0 equal to minus 2, right? Okay, now we shall quickly take the differential equation. So y triple dash minus 3y double dash plus 3y dash minus y equal to t square e power t. Apply Laplace on both sides. So Laplace of y triple dash minus 3 times Laplace of y double dash plus 3 times Laplace of y dash minus Laplace of y is equal to Laplace of t square into e power t. Laplace of t square into e power t. Now, how do you write down Laplace of t square into e power t? Can anyone say? Now, if you observe, this is multiplication by t property.
Plus
Okay.
Hmm.
So, Laplace of t square into e power t, what multiplication by t property says? Minus 1 whole square into t
derivative.
square by ds square of Laplace
E
of e
power
power t.
Square.
What is Laplace of e power t? 1 by s minus 1.
S minus one.
So this is d by ds of minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square. If I differentiate one more time, this is going to be 2 by s minus 1 whole cube. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So that is the Laplace transform. Okay. Now write down left hand side. So what is the Laplace of y triple dash? I gave you the generalization, right? Generalization to Laplace of nth derivative. According to that, this is going to be s cube into Laplace of y minus s square into s square into
y
y of 0 minus s into y dash of 0
minus y double dash of
Minus
0.
y double dash.
minus y double dash of 0. Okay,
Minus
minus 3 into s square into
Laplace.
Laplace of y minus s into y of 0 minus
Y
y
dash of
dash
0.
of 0 plus 3 into
3
s into Laplace of y
y
s into Laplace of y minus
minus
y
Laplace.
of minus y of 0. Am I right? So plus minus plus 3, finally minus Laplace of y is equal to right hand side term is 2 by
2 by
s minus 1 whole cube. 2 by s minus 1 whole cube. Okay, so let us simplify this by taking L of y common. So where L of I is there? L of I is here, 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 and here. Okay, so L of if I take common, this is going to be s cube minus 3s square plus
Plus
3s
3s
minus
minus
1.
1.
And what is y of 0? Y of 0 is 1. So minus s square, y dash of 0 is 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, y double dash of 0 is
Minus 2.
so minus s into 0 minus of minus 2. Okay, next what else is remaining? Minus into minus plus 3s here plus 3s into y of 0 is 1. Is it okay? Next minus into minus plus 3 into y dash of 0 is
ఇద్దరు పట్టుకుందని
y dash of 0
0.
is 0. Okay, what else is remaining? Minus 3 plus into minus minus 3, y of 0 is 1.
1.
Y of 0 is 1 equal to 2 by s minus 1 whole cube. Is it okay? Now can you identify this expression s cube minus 3s square plus 3s minus 1? That is nothing but a minus b whole cube form, no? A cube minus 3a square u plus 3ab square minus b cube. So that is nothing but s minus 1 whole cube. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Minus s square. Okay, what else is remaining? This is plus 2 minus 3 plus 3s. 2 minus 3 is minus 1.
Yes.
Here is 2 plus 2, here is minus 3, so it is minus 1. Okay, equal to 2 by
2 by
s minus 1 whole cube. Is that okay? So I'm going to continue in the next slide. Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to take these three terms first on the numerator to the right hand side term. Okay, so these three terms I want to take this to right hand side first. Okay, then I will divide it. So when I take these two terms to left right hand side, what do I get? L of y into
S minus 1 whole cube
s minus 1 whole cube. Can you tell me?
is equal to
S square minus 3s, s square minus
plus 1.
plus 1 in plus 2 by
2 by s minus 1
whole cube. Okay, now I'm not going to take anything LCM and all. Okay, so because it is s minus 1 s minus 1. Okay, so I just want to divide with s minus 1 whole cube, s square minus 3s plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube plus 2 by s minus 1 whole power 6. Okay, so because I know transform of finding this s minus 1 whole power in the earlier problem, in the where you have quadratic factors, I took LCM first and then divided with the function which is there in the left hand side. Okay, so here the trick is here. Okay, whether to simplify the terms by taking the LCM or keep the terms as it is and then divide. Okay, there you have to use your discretion. Okay, depends on that only your L inverse whether you will get easily or not, it all depends on that. Okay, so if I want y, what is this? L inverse of s square minus 3s plus 1 by, see, if anyone is not writing their roll number, I cannot admit. Okay, actually I should not I should lock the, I forgot it. Okay, so s square minus 3s plus 1 by s minus 1 whole cube plus 2 times L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 whole power 6. Now how do I write down? How do I find out this? Can I write it as s square minus 2s plus 1 like this? Minus s plus 1 Can I write like this?
Yes. One.
Hmm?
Sub plus.
S square minus 3s. I think
This one is 1.
plus 1 is not there, right? So right. Divided by
S minus 1 whole cube.
s minus 1 whole cube plus 2 times L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 whole power 6. Okay. So L inverse of I can write it as s minus 1 whole square minus of s minus 1 I want to write. So how much I have to subtract? Subtract or add?
Subtract, sir.
Add. Plus 1 is there. How much I have to add?
Minus 1, sir.
Should write minus 1, no? If I write minus
Yes,
1, what happens? Here it is a 1. 1 is already there, right? Fine, correct. Right. So s minus 1 whole cube plus 2 times L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 whole power 6. Now separate, apply linearity. L inverse of, what is this? 1 by s minus 1 minus L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 whole square minus L inverse of 1 by minus 1 whole cube plus 2 times L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 whole power 6. Okay. And this is going to be e power t into L inverse of 1 by s minus e power t into L inverse of 1 by s square minus e power t into L inverse of 1 by s cube plus 2 e power t into L inverse of 1 by s power 6. Is that okay? So what is the final answer? What is the final answer? E power t I can take common from all these things. L inverse of 1 by s is 1. Minus 1 by s square inverse transform is t. Minus 1 by s cube inverse transform is t square by 2 factorial. Plus 2 into L inverse of 1 by s power 6 inverse transform is t power 5 by 5 factorial. Is that clear?
Yes.
Because we have L inverse of 1 by s power n plus 1 is equals to t power n by n factorial. Is that okay? So this is the solution of the differential equation. Okay. So like this for all the problems on differential equation, okay, you have to apply Laplace transform and as well as inverse Laplace transform to get the solution. So with this I'm concluding the discussion on Laplace transforms. Okay, so initially we have learned how to find out Laplace transforms and discussed about various properties of Laplace transforms. Followed by we have seen inverse Laplace transforms and various methods of finding inverse Laplace transforms. Then we applied the knowledge of Laplace as well as inverse Laplace transforms to solve the differential equation. In particular, what kind of differential equation it is? Higher order differential equation with the constant coefficients.